it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. All mine, all mine. That's me. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. All mine, me. There for my first cake, then we hit on a cake. $500,000 on the way, then $1,000,000 on the way. Eating good, full plates, eating good, say grace. Eat her up, get thanks. She got cake birthday. I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, whoa, something like the baddest chick. My girl, whoa, whoa, came up from the rags to rich. Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it. She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spinning, I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. All mine, all mine. That's me. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. All mine, me. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spinning, I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spinning, I don't stress. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. pushing 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? We ready. Been ready. I waited. My turn. On God. Held steady. I keep dropping back to back. I keep going if you let me. I've been sitting at the top, looking down at those who left me. Promise I'm not being petty. I'm the one they envy. Brody moving state to state, make $1 million out the semi. Plus I grinded from the start. I was stacking pennies. I might dip like Machiavelli. After the confetti. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? We ready. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, just the 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that limit squeeze. Went off with my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. And for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun of 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice wall, ice wall, ice wall. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and my only know it take time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate now. For my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. And for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. itch in my palm. My girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand, I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light, know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave, girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas, no, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds, now it's top floor. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress, when I make it stretch. Double back to back then, down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin, down with me to the end. That my best friend, that my best friend, that my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. There for my first cake, then we hit on a cake. $500,000 on the way, then $1 million on the way. Eating good, full plates, eating good, say grace. Eat her up, get thanks. She got cake birthday. I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, whoa, something like the baddest chick. My girl, whoa, whoa, came up from the rags to rich. Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it. She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress, when I make it stretch. Double back to back then, down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin, down with me to the end. That my best friend, that my best friend, that my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress, when I make it stretch. Double back to back then, down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin, down with me to the end. That my best friend, that my best friend, that my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress, spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. That my best friend, that my best friend, that my best friend. I've been on go since a kid, now I got house full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick, keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid, now I got house full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick, keep making that money flip. Way up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, that went way up. Bend that mouse to feed, I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros, I'm talking day one. Been at boys. Me and my bros do road, new keys, no deal, we been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God, I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid, now I got house full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick, keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid, now I got house full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick, keep making that money flip. Yeah. Keep making that money flip. All of my paper legit, all of my outfits legit. Got the game with a tight grip. On trip but don't ever trip. Talking, keep running your lip. Me, I come through in the fourth. Me, I come through in the fifth. Been at boys. Me and my bros do road, new keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God, I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid, now I got house full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick, keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid, now I got house full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick, keep making that money flip. That's me. That's me. You wear a hat they call dad. Me, I'm the dad in a hat. You just like clubbing and clothes. Me, I like afternoon naps. 3 happy meals for the road. My oldest like counting racks. My middle one, she's in a dirt bike. My youngest is just like a mama. The mama loves me and I love her, so if she wants something, it's never a bother. 3 little ladies, my babies, and 1 on the way, now I'm stressing my mama. And don't try to play around, don't try to play with them unless you're looking for problems. So don't try to play around, don't try to play with them, my brothers all with the drama. 4 to 5 nights on the road, counting the days till I'm home. I could do show after show, but nothing is better than home. Driving through nights I'm alone, counting the days till I'm home. I've been on road, I'm on go, but nothing is better than home. Clicking my heels like I'm Dorothy, I need new hobbies, it's boring me. Play all my kids and it's water me. I see new loafers, I'm motoring. I just bought socks and stocks, I feel on top to top. Shipping a pop by pop. Still young in my 20s, I celebrate. This one for the dads, let me dedicate. Head of the house like the head of state. Bring home the cash in the dinner plate. I go, I zoom, accelerate. I cannot be bought at some bargain rate. I got on my back and my body weight. I stay in the crib like a quarantine. I stay in the crib and I isolate. Making my way, watching demonstrate. I ain't no special, I'm a tidal wave. I came to win, I ain't come to play. At my own pace and I'm never late. See the strap thing is still new to me. Might only do this for like 2 or 3. I'll be down as long as it's true to me. Got records on records that's new to you, but none of these records is new to me. I used to skip class, now I'm tutoring. I was just a team with a GED. On paper was worth like a couple G's. That hustle and work, nothing new to me. Look back now, I'm worth like an Amazon. Never underestimate G.O.D. Don't give me what I want, but what I need. D.D. that's me. 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 D.D. that's on my own, no fixer. I'm gon' ball, no picker. That I8 doors, they live for. Talking on my back, go figure. Whole team eats fun splitter. Never was the one to go flicker. No face, no case, no picture. Full place, big stakes, my dinner. Flip that, Canal Street. Flip bags. Last week, old money. This week, new racks. Never buy 9 more. If I can't afford to gift wrap, stunning in your foreign car. You keep riding rental tags. Heard you roll the gasoline, we are not the same. Couple thousand in my pocket, this pocket chick. Rubber bands on my arm, this is not for play. I put 20 on the crib, but you cop a chain. I know they hated or love it. You know I love when they hate it. Last year was living basic. Haters on the other side. 3 up, read between the lines. Know I got some angels with me. Made it through some evil times. Late night on some demon time. Pour the Sprite, I need a line. I can't lock it, see the line. Freeze time. Brainstorm, you cannot swim with your chains on. I can see none with the lights off. Cap, you been the main one. Coolin' when I got my mains on. Show money, but those aren't the same ones. I been told you that it was game on. Been winning since I was on game 1. Go. Telling me how to live like you made me. Going dumb and I blame you made me. Money longer than a grown-up baby. Got crazy in new Mercedes. Thinking that's 550. 5 seats, fit the kids in there. Prime steak on my dinner plate. Nike tag for the dinner wear. Flex up, never playing dress up. Never gonna let up. Never ever set up. Play on my fam, get wet up. Go, won't let up. Never ever. Haters on the other side. 3 up, read between the lines. Know I got some angels with me. Made it through some evil time. Late night on some demon time. Pour the Sprite, I need a line. I can't lock it, see the line. Freeze time. I got on me right now. Strong point, did it. Pull up. We gon' do that. Pull up. Say pull up. Run it back. Say pull up. Say pull up. Say pull up. Say pull up. Yeah. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it. Girl, do it. Yeah. We get to it, got it stocked up. Popped up, got a hand all for designer, got her own drip. Don't care for the phones, got her own whip. Don't care for the scene, take her own trip. Guarantee it's for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Sweet Jesus, I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes and the leeches. I been getting to it since a fetus. Pull up at the spot, tires squeal. Got her in my passenger, I told her grab the wheel. Friends hating, told her get out, Jordan Peele. But she rocks with me cause she real, for real. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. We go forever now. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm a trendsetter. You wish that you can do better. No, no, won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. I know that I can do better. I'm so in love with the cheddar. I'm so in love with my little boo. It was written like a letter. Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born a little crate. Then I turned out to a boss. Gotta go and get it. I keep running up the digits. Lost my mind, I gotta fix it. Kill the beat, cold killing. Need to change the way I'm living. Never sleeping, I'm tripping. This is forever and ever. We live forever and ever, yeah. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm a trendsetter. You wish that you can do better. No, no, won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. Yeah. Ooh. We go forever and ever. We go forever and ever. Yeah. Ooh. We go forever and ever. We go forever and ever. Real hustlers don't sleep. Cat naps all week. On a mission for the green. I've been at it since a teen. No pillow talk, no tea. Out the way, keep it cheap. Shawty told me she a freak. Wap, wap, straight E. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm a trendsetter. You wish that you can do better. No, no, won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm a trendsetter. You wish that you can do better. No, no, won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. Ooh. We go forever and ever. We go forever and ever. Ooh. We go forever and ever. We go forever and ever. I wake up, I go ball, I go hard with my dogs, bet it all. What's the call? Need a 10, never fall. Polo socks, polo jaws, keep it 10. Beat the odds, hit my line. What you want? I pick up, get it all. Love when the celly gon' ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flow, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I been counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my seat. Shorties had chain when the money came. Money bang him, get money back. Need a money counter for the money, ayy. No, I need you here, so don't you run away. Mathematics act like a nerd. I'll be counting 30 by the third. Drop top doors, go vert. SRT, go skirt. Lately like a bub and sin. I handle the business, then I get love in Europe even. Ball so hard I used to play. I'm never giving up. You roll like a semi-truck. Say what I'm saying, yeah, you're a parrot now. Yankee on my head, I guess that I think that I'm Derek, huh? Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cover my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my sleep. Love when the celly go ring. 2 iPhones on me. I'm booking plays all week. I don't do skins on skis. Next year, chain for my team. Keep a couple blues in my jeans. Keep a couple cars, no leans. Had to kick the cup, no fee. I could never take a hand out. I could never leave my man down. Yeah, 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 stand out. Plan A, this is planned out. Been smooth like grease. Been smooth, John T. Neighborhood, that's who. Nicholas, that's me. Been real to the T. I never lie through my teeth. Why? What you get is what you see. Why? New fit, that's neat. Yeah, for the green like a leaf. For the green like a reef. Don't trip, don't reach. Get rich, don't speak. Yeah. Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cover my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my sleep. Switch that V6 for the EV. Ride it around my city. You should come right with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me sip. Water like a fish sip. Box water to the gillies, yeah. This a new wave, this a takeover. Do it for the future, time to get a world of makeover. Time never stops, no the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess, how can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been, could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate, we need change now. We need solar, we need EV in the game now. Make it changes so the earth we know can stay around. Make it change cause we had no time for playing around. Let's quit the playing around. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green. New car goes zoom, but it's quiet. You can hear me come and think I'm lying. If I said I'm perfect, I'd be lying. I can say I'm perfect, but I'm trying. I'ma give my all till I'm dying. I'm the new Captain Planet, here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. I'm the new Captain Planet, here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green. Next to you, only wake up if I'm next to you. You extra too, I still slide with some extra too. X and O's, trying to stay on my P's and Q's. Need my boo, when I get lost you gon' see me through. Pedestal, I put you on the pedestal. Edible, I need you like my bisexual. My bestie too, that my bestie boo. Test me too, but I love when you test me too. Tough on the back, most not good to go. Oh for sure, you my number one, then my number one. You the go, love it when I'm here, but miss you on the road. Oh you know, hate it when I leave. You know I'll be on. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just pull it out and count for nothing when I'm feeling great. Give my baby little more, just to spend it, and I'm always on go, I don't hesitate. Used to always know I make it, yeah. I'll be me until I'm in the grave, yeah. See my record, had to set it straight, yeah. I make a kid like 10 times 10. I got wires coming in, some in euros, some in sec, some in dollars, some in yen. I've been trying to keep my zen, keep my cool. Trying to keep the family fed, get my food. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend.
Man, I didn't realize my microphone was off this whole time. So I was saying, futures and forex is pretty much you trade it the same way. If I'm trading forex right now, I'm not going to change anything. The only difference is you have contracts with forex when you trying to take a trade, and you have lot sizes when you're taking a trade with on CFDs. So the only place you might have an issue with is like setting your profit target and stuff. If you're looking at the futures chart, if you're taking your trade based off the futures chart, you have to make sure that you actually using the correct and calculating the correct lot stop loss, your stop losses and your take profits. So you have to use them in points, okay? Oh, I said pips earlier. You have to use them in points. So 100 ticks on futures, or 10 ticks on future, or 10 points on futures. For CFDs, you're looking at 1,000 pips, or 1,000 points.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, I don't speak a lot. And
The more you have SL size, the more it will cost in one contract. It depends, and it also depends if you're trading micros or minis. Like right now, I'm trading micros.
no chain rocker, make my business, work my business, count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my review and you been trying. said you out here doing numbers, but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib, bet she do it for the 9-9.
Oh, the music is too loud. Oh, my voice is not loud enough. Okay, give me a second. What about now? It should be better now. You're welcome, Francis. My voice should be better now. Okay, all right, nice. I'm still bearish on gold right now. I don't strongly feel like this 1 hour demand is going to hold. I feel like we might come a little bit lower to this 5-minute demand here. Yeah, or react to this 30-minute demand here. But we are going to start off the 1 hour demand because this 1 hour demand is beautiful. And it actually broke a structure. I mean, broke minor highs. So we'll see how we react at this 1 hour demand. And then if we do react at this 1 hour demand, I'm not going to be taking it right away here. I need to see buyers step in because I'm trying to go against what price is currently doing. Even though we do have a minor break of structure here to the left, but the big structure here is still bearish. Okay, so if we tap this 1 hour demand here, I need to see buyers step in. Even if we just break this minor high right here to the left, I'm gonna wait for a pullback or a retest of this demand again, and then that is when I'm going to look to buy this, and we should continue higher from that point. Let's back to the top of the range. Until then, I am still bearish. We'll see what happens when London opens. Maybe we'll get something then. Who else was here during New York session yesterday?
Just got off the phone with my mama, yeah, she proud of me. This one for the ones who lost a vision, yeah, they died of me. This one for the ones who got on late, they been proud of me. But it's still the same ones in the frame, nothing changed. Yeah, at the top, see the top, I'm on top. See the guap, get the guap, that's a lot. Hit the gas, need no brakes, I don't stop. Yeah, oh my God. At the top, see the top, I'm on top. See the guap, get the guap, that's a lot. Hit the gas, need no brakes, I don't stop. Yeah, yeah. I'ma buy a testy for my bestie. Only if she ride it like a 10-speed. I might run the score up if you let me. First time in Miami, rode them jet skis. Now I stay on go, used to stay on road. COVID kept me on, but them bags on hold. It keeps coming in, spend it on my kids, spend it on my boo. You know I'm a trend. At the top, see the top, I'm on top. See the guap, get the guap, that's a lot. Hit the gas, need no brakes, I don't stop. Yeah, oh my God. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash is digital, digital, digital. The dash is digital, go, go, go. Digital, 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 digital. The cash is digital, digital, digital. The dash is digital, run it up. Digital, 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 digital. Stepping like Marty McFly, stepping I feel like the guy. I got them looking like why. I never doubted me why. I never doubted.
Is my microphone working?
I stand on 10, you on 10. I don't have friends of a friend, only the fan of the kin. Only my wife and my kids, that's all I needed to win. Now I only trust my true friends. Had to cut off my loose ends. You know I win if you win. You know you win if I win. I swipe that cash, don't fold. I swipe my bank on gold. Don't think that I've been dumb. I spend like I've been broke. None of my cash can fold. None of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold. None of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash is digital, digital.
Okay, alright, cool.
Digital, digital. Digital, digital. The cash is digital, digital. The dash is digital. Run it up. Digital, digital. Digital, digital. Living my truth, no tricks. I'm just trying to feed my kids. I'm just trying to keep my way. I'm just trying to live my life while we get rich. Mind my biz. Money gon' come, some go. Man, if you know, you know. I've been through highs and lows. Here for the ride, I go. Slide and roll. Up and down, but I get up. The numbers crunching, no sit-ups. I grew up and got dripped up. Purple label, my get up. That's 101, not a one and done. Month to month, and there's more to come. I told Cushy, let's run it up. Now it's millions on millions. Yeah, none of my cash can fold. None of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold. None of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash is digital, digital, digital. The dash is digital, go, go, go. Digital, digital. Digital, digital. The cash is digital, digital, digital. The dash is digital. Run it up. Digital, digital. Digital, digital.
We'll see what gold is trying to do here.
Coming down a lot. They coming down. I see my fam, I can't be down and now. I can't be down and 17, they try to knock me down. Don't ever count me Nothing comes to me, no, I'm not forcing nothing. I'm on go mode, please don't wait up. Me plus motion, that's a layup. Pick and roll, give and go. Take it, finish strong. Night after night, remember when I would stay up. Fight after fight, knocked down, but I found a way up. No picking sides, I got my friends, down for the ride, far from the end. 10 a.m., you're still sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the worm, what it is. All these birds, they get curved, what it is. 10 a.m., you're still sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the worm, what it is. All these birds, they get curved, what it is. Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. Euro step to the money, that's a lay. Take advantage of my time to get a payday. I've been to myself, I've been out the way. If I'm not with the kids, me and Tay-Tay. Spend a bag, get a bag, that's a routine. I go north, cross the border like some poutine. Growing up, I had hoop dreams, still be on the hoop scene. But I turn hoop dreams to boot dreams. And look, we made it. Still do more numbers than the ones who got famous. Hear what I'm saying? I could take a cookie cutter system and go bust it down and bake. Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I not Shaq West, but I'm getting really rich. Not your favorite rapper, but I'm really making hits. Soundtrack the world, got 'em asking who is this? Soundtrack the world, this is really just some biz. Big business and I stand on it. I've been on myself, put some bands on it. No days off, put the time in. Who me? Didn't plan on it. Take a loss and I'm not stressing it. The money works for me when I invested it. What you step in, not what I'm stepping in. I cannot be dressing up the mannequin. Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. Never bought me, always fresh, had to get it off the raps. Now I'm on a trip with my little ones. Keep it coming, we the best, I can never look a mess. I impressed and I watch the paper still come. We on the way, we came to play. Yeah, we came to play, we on the way. You know, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play, we on the way. Like right now, got my funds up, on the one.
I still trade supply and demand. Yes, I do. As you can see. Your psychology has been so horrible, it's pathetic. Oh man, what's going on?
Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm singing like, whoa, oh, oh, oh. Lit check, been a minute, let me hit the homies in a group text. 10 years, same team.
You're impatient? Oh, at least you know what the issue is, so just work on it. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. Before I go though, as of right now, I'm waiting for guys to get to this 5 minute supply, and we'll see how we react there. I don't think gold is done falling just yet. We might even still come down and not get to that supply, but we'll see what happens. Either we get to this supply, we see how we react, and or we get to this 1 hour demand, see how we react. All right, I'll be right back.
Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm singing like, whoa, oh, SOS, oh. Please fill my cup. I keep finding myself in these dark rooms, and I don't know how to get out now that I'm not with you. Again and again, yeah, again and again. Another ball, another night, another friend of a friend. Again and again, yeah, again and again. I can't even see the bottom line. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting and it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Girl, I love you through and through. I put you through hula hoops. Arguments about who and who. I'm focused on me and you. I know when the love is real, but also when the love is gone. Hit me out on how you feel. Tell me now what's going on. Again and again, yeah, again and again. Another ball, another night, another friend of a friend. Again and again, yeah, again and again. I can't even see the bottom line. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting and it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. the rock. You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready, been ready, I waited, my turn, on God, held steady. I keep dropping back to back, I keep going if you let me. I've been sitting at the top, looking down at those who left me. Promise I'm not being petty, I'm the one they envy. Brody moving state to state, make $1 million out the semi. Plus I grind it from the start, I was stacking pennies. I might dip like Machiavelli, after the confetti. Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', been ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds, yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets on the first in and the last out, see me coming. First take, I'm hotter than hot, hotter than some boiling water, I bubble the pot. Team full of ballers, baby, we winning a lot. I'm like Curry with the rock when I get to my spot. I'm tapping in, I'm passionate, this is what passion is. This here, nah, this is no accident. From the start to the finish, I'm cashing in. I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', been ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds, yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out, see me coming. Been poppin', Sports Center from a little I was watching. Spin a bag like I'm Rafa, call that top spin. How could I not win? This is top 10. From the bottom, gotta sniff out the top wins. I sit back, reflect, and do it again. Hardest milli is the first, now we got 10. Talking 10, 10, 10, 10 times 10 and again. I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', been ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds, yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out, see me coming. Care about relevance, I'm doing me, I'm in my element. We the new delegate, tapping and see. I don't sit and worry about who's on. Back in my bag, that's a new zone. Kettle on my wrist, it's a two-tone. crossing borders, getting my stamps up. Travel light, everybody can come. Lay low, I don't want attention. Only show what you see. Never no cap in my rap. When I rap on the track, got me feeling like I'm in the league. Ease. I'm in my element. Don't care about relevance. I'm doing me. I'm in my element. We the new delegate. Tapping and see. I'm in my element. Back in my element. 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 I'm in my element. This is easy as a layup. I don't show if you don't pay up. Long nights had to stay up. Putting hours while you late up. I can sit around and wait up. I'm gon' have to see you later. Giving tips like a waiter. Either tell them or you fade them. I'm in my element. Back in my element. 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 I'm in my element. Don't care about relevance. I'm doing me. I'm in my element. We the new delegate. Tapping and see. Okay. First in the last out. Never tried to go the fast route. Marathon, not a race. Putting hours in, I cash out. Game time been lit. Been the man, been him. In the box like 9-9. Got pinstripes on my skin. Okay, go mamba all in my zone. When the wind going home. Hear it all in my tone. Worked hard for this throne. You know I'm never lazy. Nothing phase me. See me win, but those L's made me. Hear him talk, let him talk. All the ghosts have been called crazy. Lights on, I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Love the pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up. You know I can't stand still. Sticking to the plan still. No bots on my fans real. Stay true on the man still. Losses got you bent up. All that anger pent up. See you in my inbox, but everybody can't come. I worked hard for this, putting hours, got scars from this. No sleep, I just toss and turn, thinking about how hard it get. I've been chilling with my family now. You've been chilling where the party is. Putting reps cause they called my bluff. Got one shot to get all these dubs. And we on. Lights on, I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Love the pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up. Lights on, I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Love the pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up.
Well, but the music stopped playing.
All these these opportunities were just across the bridge. The world was more than twice the size, and now I was a kid. Traded in the comfort zone for life, I'm on the edge. I was gaining all my dreams, holding tightly to the pledge to myself. Was quick to move, was waist deep in the sand. We were starving to beat off all the seeds that we planted. Somewhere back a couple of years in the attic, I almost ditched the plan. The ship that worked to the label back when the bars were bland. Man, on my word though, I followed through on prior engagement. The tip of my tongue not far from the innovation. Now it's mine for the taking. Tell the people mistaking me for somebody to toy with. The plug the ox to play me. Time was paralyzed, I felt the strain to stretch my lungs. Confidence depleted right along with all the funds. Those days it was less about the bread that we obtained. No other way to slice it, I was scraping by on crumbs. But I loved the feeling the odds against me. Could it tell me that I wouldn't get it? I wanted plenty, I was quick to defend me. Feeling surrounded by angels, demons on rare occasion. Trying to shake the momentum, soon as I find a cadence. Leave it all on the record, if it's my only reference. Shocked how the bar's been electric, you could tell that they felt it. Pushing the weight of the world while they sound all the frail shit. Forcing the fame in my favor, kick back and watch the scale tip. More than just all in a day, spend time with the struggle, I know it too well. We gone separate ways. See, my biggest fear is to change. If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely. I don't wanna seem lonely.
So if price does pull back to this demand, unfortunately we are going to need MSS here, which is market structure shift, and it's going to have to be this minor high at 4665.9 that we need to see price close above, and then we wait for a setup like that. But if we continue to the upside, I'd like to see how we react to that 5-minute supply, even though I prefer that 15-minute supply above, but we'll see.
This one's for the brodies, I got us. Get 50-50, keep it some of 100, make do what life has got us. Let go of wait and put faith in the process, make the most of it. I'll be God as the time we allotted. Call it how I see it, provide I witness statement. The way things been gone, I'm all in on the table. They made the plan for their night, I made the long-term arrangement to take it up to a peak that we no longer afraid of. I just wanna be your everything. 'Cause that's who you are to me.
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely. Lonely, lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely. No, no.
Tube, you guys are really quiet today. Really, yeah. Hey, good morning, Crafted. How you doing? Hey, Jason. How you doing?
Snow is falling. Elfie's calling. Check my list twice.
You're good, but you're high. I'm just about to smoke myself.
racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Yasha, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, put the lights up. 'Tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing. Favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing. Favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said,
London opens in 10 minutes, pretty much.
racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah.
We'll see what happens.
What you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back. Merry Christmas, everybody.
I think I must start streaming London. I mean pre-London at like 1 o'clock instead of 12:30. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. Starting from tomorrow, whenever I trade pre-London. We got no volume at all right now. No volume. So as of right now, Even if we do not get to this 1 hour demand, this minor low here in this range, right, was a previous continuation that created that high, and we've grabbed it. Okay, plus you have this 5-minute demand here. We never closed, right? We never closed below it. So if we can close strongly, aggressively, with some nice bullish volume candle, then we're gonna wait for a pullback. This is going to be MSS here, but I'll prefer to see this come down here before we close above that. So we'll see what the market is gonna do here. Gold is really being nice right here. She could have let the buyers make some money, and the smart ones get out somewhere here or here, potentially here, and then we look to take a sell continuation. Right now, she might decide to break this buyer's heart, the ones that have their stop loss below here. She might decide to do this, and then boom. Oh, Crafted, did you leave your trade for 2-1 the New York session yesterday? Man, I forgot something. I don't feel like getting up right now. I might have to get up. Oh, I don't think Craft Trade is here. God is about to break this buyer's heart. He is about to break their hearts, guys. Thank you, Jason. And just to touch on your comments real quick. See, at the end of the day, it all just boils down to experience and knowing what you're looking for and sticking to it. Once you have a strategy and you have a setup, right, you'll find your edge, right? Once you have these two, right? Once you have those two, there is no way in hell you're not going to wait until you see this. There's no way you're not going to wait, because the next thing you're waiting for is confirmation. That's where the name of, my strategy came from, SVC. The C stands for the last thing that I'm pretty much waiting for, which is the confirmation. I already got the structure, right? I already got the structure. The structure is still bearish, but then I also understand that on the higher time frame, we are still bullish, right? So now, since I understand that, question is, where are my value areas for my buys and my sells, right? Once I identify that, then I just wait, right? Then I just wait for my setup. I already got the strategy. Then I just wait for my setup and I wait for the last thing. Right now, I'm waiting for my setup. Right now, my setup will be, if price breaks this minor high right now, then I will expect this thing to continue back to at least this 15-minute supply here. If we don't wanna tap the 30-minute supply sitting up there that we rejected from during Asian session. So that's what I would expect go to get to, and we could either continue higher or we could continue to the downside, and this time around we could break this low, because this low has already failed, right? And this high here has already failed. So if we reject here and start coming down, there's a higher chance that we are going to break this low. It's that simple. Oh, you at work, Crafted? Oh, okay. I was just asking if you were here during New York. No, I was asking because I think you were here. I was asking if you actually got 2-1 on that trade, if you held it. I can't remember if Matt was here though. Oh, you only held for 1-1. Okay. The market's got a way of tricking us into thinking we're going to miss the move. Now you try and play on your phone whilst waiting. So the thing is, if the market, right, does not give you a setup today or this session, don't worry about it. Don't trip. Don't stress yourself. There's always the next session and there's always the next day. You see, the thing is, just because you're a day trader does not mean you have to trade every single day, right? Every single day. In fact, especially if you only trade one pair, right? If you trade multiple pairs, for example, even two pairs, or two assets, whatever you want to call it. If one does not give you a setup during this session, or that day, right? The next day, you might at least get one pair or one asset that's going to give you give you your setup that you're looking for, or even the same day or the same session. If one didn't give you one during the session, right, the other asset or pair might actually give you the setup. But if you made the decision that I'm only going to trade one asset or one pair, whatever you want to call it, and you don't give the price does not give you a setup, then there's nothing you can do. You move on. You just have to understand that and let it sink into your head. It's okay. You get 5 days, trading week. Even if you don't get a setup that week, it's fine. But I mean, you're gonna get it set up every week, even if it's one trade for that week. It is what it is. It's not gonna be like that every week or every month. Gotta get used to trading gold, very volatile. Yeah. But it's not as volatile like NQ or even YM, which is NAS 100 or US 30 for those of you that trade Forex only. So we could be getting the bullish volume that we need, guys. You know what that means? That means we're gonna have a displacement. And we simply wait for price to retest that newly formed demand. And if we take a buy, it should definitely be a banger. Should be a banger. Maybe not. I spoke too soon. We'll see if we go to break this minor high at 4665.8. Is it at 0.8 or 0.9? Yeah, it's 0.8. I made my chart bigger for you guys because some of you are saying you can barely see my chart because of my my stream layout, and I don't feel like changing my stream layout, so I'd rather make the chart bigger for you guys. So I made it better. You see, I found a solution. I want to see if at least one person has been listening to my rant in the chat this morning. So why am I, hold on, give me a second. Streams like this is not just about watching and taking a trade. It's about learning. So why do you guys think I am willing to take buys even though gold is currently creating lower highs and lower lows? Why do you think I'm willing to look for buys and actually take buys if price breaks strongly above this high that I just circled, 4665.8? Why is that? Let's see who's going to get it right. And let me see if you guys are even going to answer though. That's not the word I'm looking for, Jason. Liquidity will be taken. That's not it. Change of structure. Honestly, I'm actually kind of looking for a summary. So let me put it this way. Everything you guys are saying could be, you guys could be right, but then when you're trading on your own, that's what you're going to be looking for, and those things happens in the wrong at the wrong levels without you knowing it. They happen in the wrong levels sometimes. So if that's what you're focusing on, it's not good for you. You have to know the reason behind it. You have to know what's the word I'm looking for. You have to be able to summarize it, right? It's not just, oh, liquidity was taken over here, there's a change of character over here, then I'm going to look for this, I'm going to look for that. No, there is more to this story. What is that story? It is that story that I'm looking for, not just a name. What is the story? Because it would have tapped demand, the blue zone. Yeah, what is the story though? Okay, nobody knows. Okay, I'm going to explain it. This is the story behind it. Now, I want you to take a look at this range. Between Asian high, we're in a range right now. We need to identify that first. So, the higher time frame range, of course, is the previously high and low. Now, but this lower time frame range here that we're pretty much trading on, I want you to pay attention to this Asian high and this previous daily candle low. Now, this previous daily candle low broke a high, right? So we have a break of structure 1 there, right? Now, this low that we're talking about right now, this low at 4655.7, no, 4654.7, right? Also did what? Broke a high. So the second continuation that we had was also strong because it broke a high. Now we've identified that. So what that tells me is that this low here is strong. This demand area here, or this low, that's why the 5-minute, the 15-minute demand, the 30-minute demand could also hold this whole area, right? Could also hold. But this low, this demand is stronger than this because the origination of this move to the upside was this. This was a continuation, meaning you get premium, you get discount, right? The discount is also strong because it did what? It broke a high. That's why you see price will sometimes, right, grab a minor low and tap a higher time frame demand, which is a premium demand zone in that range, right? And sometimes the first liquidity grab will be a fake out sometimes. However, if that liquidity grab holds, right, for example here, and it creates a high, right, and it creates a high, if price now tries to go down and fails to break again or grab it again or tap the demand below the previous low that we tapped, right, that price liquidated, you can look for buys, especially if price breaks that high strongly and we actually have huge volumes pushing up to the upside and we actually have closure above that minor high. Then you okay to take buys because now you're actually following the higher time frame structure, right? And previously you had what? You had breakup structures, but this high here, when it go to a major low of that range, it failed. Okay, it failed. So that is, this explanation I just made is pretty much the story behind pretty much everything you guys said. So you always have to, because you can't just take a trade and pretty much not know the reason why you're taking the trade. You have to understand the overall picture. Okay, because if you don't understand the overall picture, I'm sorry to say, you're still guessing. You're still gambling. So that's it. It proves the buyers are active, are in control. Yes, it does that too. That's a good one, Rafi. That's a good one. I like the fact that you understand that. Once you get the closure above the highs, right, it proves that exactly. So we're starting from this 1 hour demand, because we could reject this 1 hour demand, or price could decide to come down just a little bit more and do it at the 30. It's pretty much the 15 as well. Got a 5 here, or we could come all the way down to the 5, which is what I actually prefer. Right? I prefer the 5-minute demand because that's actually where, right, the buyers started to jump in, right? But price kept on pushing up and pushing up. Traders kept on getting in, right? More traders kept on getting in. That's the only reason why we kept on pushing up. And then you even have even more traders getting here this candle, because you can always tell by looking at the candles also. Like this current candle right now, this candle has a lot of sellers in it, right? But because it hasn't closed yet, right, you could also have buyers getting in here. Just like right now, buyers are trying to get in right now. But if it closes strongly with a nice body, man, then that means that candle has more sellers than buyers. Yeah, the way this previous candle closed, this candle has more sellers than buyers. So we'll see if we are going to hold this 1 hour demand or come down to the 5. I wanted to reject this 1 hour demand because London doesn't have that much volume like that compared to New York. I was trying to trade Asia session last night also. Man, once we had the same thing that happened yesterday, Asia session, that's what happened today. Once price broke this low at 46.78, I was waiting for price to pull back to this supply here, at least for me to take sales. But it just never got there. And guess what? I didn't go chasing it. I didn't do anything. I was just like, oh well. We'll see what happens though in pre-London. And if pre-London is oh well too, then I guess I won't be trading today because I'm not going to even look at the chart today though in New York. That's why I'm not streaming New York. pretty much. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. Maybe I will get a trade if I don't get one today. And if that happens, that means this week I would have only taken 3 trades. Just 3. And I'm a day trader. And I'm looking at the chart every Monday to Friday. I don't see sign of buyers right now. Okay. Let's see what happens from this 30-minute demand. The only reason why I want this demand to hold, right, is because so I can at least get a trade this session, right? If you ask me what my real analysis is, it will be that price could potentially continue down, right, and reject this 5-minute demand by grabbing this previous daily candle low. That's what I see. At the same time, where we're sitting at right now, price cannot ignore. We cannot ignore that this demand is actually there. That's where the origin of the bullish move started from, and that low actually broke a high, and the continuation, the low it also created, also break a high. So this low here cannot be ignored. But my preference would be that we actually continue lower, at least to this 5-minute demand. But I'm not in control of the market. Okay. We'll see. This candle shows that buyers got in. We'll see how it closes though. We'll see how it closes. Nah. The buyers are so weak right there. Man, they're weak. All we have now are some are some weak ass buyers. They are weak right now. Uh-oh, here they come. Here they come, guys. Are they there? Uh-oh, they might be there. They just might. That's a nice closure. Nice body. But it couldn't break above the previous candle, even though that candle is a weak ass candle. But we'll see what this new candle does. But this candle has, yeah, it's got a lot of buyers in it. And it grabbed the previous low, so the previous candle low, so we'll see. But this is a good sign. It's a good sign for buyers. I think the buyers might have heard me. They're watching, guys. Because remember, I called them weak earlier. And then that previous candle was like, what? Did you just call us weak? Okay, we will show you. They've not showed me yet. Because they need to close above the previous candle. But good sign, buyers. You guys might just be up to something. Just might. Would we now be looking for 4807 to get taken out since that's the last high? 4807. Okay, you must be trading Forex. If you're talking about this high here, you are absolutely correct. You are absolutely correct. That would give you your MSS, which is market structure shift, because previously, this is the whole reason behind MSS. In this case, we've identified that in this range, what was price doing previously? Bullish, creating higher highs, higher lows, and we're in the range. So price was doing this. Right, price was doing that, and then price did this, right? Did this, and then came down and broke a low, right? So we went from bullish to bearish. At the top, we had a market structure shift. Market didn't get to a level of supply, just created a lower high, and then we kept on going. And price did this, got to a level of demand, previous low that created a high, and in this case, the origin of the move. Price now turns around, break the previous high that created that low. There you go. You have your market structure shift. Don't take this out. Do not take this out. You take it, there's a higher chance you're gonna lose. Price creates a low. You want to get in at the next continuation that price makes. That's where you want to get in, and then price should keep going back up at least to the major high of that range. Simple. You see the sales that happen here when price created this low, created a high, and we broke this low right here, right? When I saw that, I stopped looking for buys. I stopped looking for buys. The moment this demand here, right? This demand here didn't hold. That's it. That is it. No. We might get to the 5-minute demand before that move. Arsalan, I hope I pronounce your name right. Do you have an open trade? No. We have not taken anything. We're still waiting. Yep, I just responded to you. Why don't I stream on TikTok? YouTube have delay 6 seconds. I don't know. I am considering it though. I don't think mine has 6-second delay though. Let me see. I don't know. I can't even tell. Go to OBS setting. Yeah, that's what I'm using. I'm using OBS to stream, and then do what? I make one try, I will get 200 to 300 followers easy in one day. Man, that's not true. I've streamed on TikTok before. Go to OBS setting and do what? I get what you're saying, but I'm just telling you, I used to stream on TikTok. But I don't have that account anymore because I deactivated it. That's why I'm gonna need to create a new one. Mm. I would like to see how the 15-minute closes. If the 15-minute closes below 46.54.5, then I'm going to need this to continue down to at least the 5-minute demand. When am I starting my mentorship program? Probably Monday. Probably. On YouTube, enable ultra low latency. Yeah, that's what I'm using. Yeah, my YouTube stream is always on ultra low. 15 is about to close. Yeah, at this point, we're gonna have to come back to this 5 minute demand here. Sorry, buddy. You didn't grab that low, you already closed below it, so. At this point right now, we tap this zone again and continue to the downside. I'm gonna mark this supply right here. If we get there, I'm gonna look to sell this. We'll revisit our buys if we come back down to this demand. But then if this demand holds, right, I would have wanted to just push up aggressively back up to this supply, because if it does that, I'm gonna look for something like this. If price comes back up and reject this supply again, then that's when I'm going to sell it. But I'd rather I do this for me to buy, go back up, create a lower high, come down, let the sellers get in, reject again, buyers get in, and we break this high here. Once that happens, I won't be expecting this supply to hold. We close strongly above this, wait for the pullback, then I'm gonna take. Oh, this music ended too. Go here.
see. Too much Hennessy for you, now you wanna speak. Why you asking me why I wanna leave? Yeah, and why I can read through all that bullshit that you're talking about. Baby, I got abandonment issues I don't really feel like talking about. Baby, there's so much trauma around your love I don't feel like being around. Baby, I can see it clearly now. Baby, I can see it clearly.
I'll be right back, guys.
How deep's your love? How deep's your trust? How deep's your love? How deep's your trust? Yeah, you don't got what it takes. You just entertain. You never had shame, baby. It's not what you claim. It pours when it rains. Why you act like a saint? Why you acting all the same as everybody that just be running their mouth? I don't care about no gossip, you only care about what they talking about. I don't care about material things, my goal is what I was worried about. You everything I was worried about. You everything I was worried about. Goddamn. Yeah, you're not the one for me. So it's sad to see. Too much Hennessy for you, now you wanna speak. Why you asking me why I wanna leave? Yeah, and why I can read through all that bullshit that you're talking about. Baby, I got abandonment issues I don't really feel like talking about. Baby, there's so much trauma around your love I don't feel like being around. Baby, I can see it clearly now. Baby, I can see it clearly now. How deep's your love? How deep's your trust? How deep's your love? How deep's your trust?
Somebody said that if you broke, you shouldn't think no shit is funny. If you laughing, you get Josh. I keep a Draco with a drummy. Oh, do better, I'm better. I said it. Do better, I'm better. I said it. Oh, do better, I'm better. I said it. Do better, I'm better. I said it. Oh, do better, I'm better. I said it. Do better, I'm better. I said it. Oh, do better, I'm better. I said it. Do better, I'm better. I said, why she sent this shit no context? Bitch, this ain't no contest. Run my own race. I ain't no rat, this ain't no confess. She turned 50 to 100. Don't tap in, these niggas confess. I turned 50 to 100 bands. Teach that hoe a con. I said before that I don't beef, I'm vegan. Won't stay cause I'm used to leaving. Lactose intolerance, running her fam, so they not used to cheesing. Burgers on the block, bro, let me cook. I know she good in season. If she pop her shit, I pop the Glock. You know I'm used to sleazing. Oh, do better, I'm better. I said it. Do better, I'm better. I said it. Oh, do better, I'm better. I said it. Do better, I'm better. I said it. Oh, do better, I'm better. I said it. Do better, I'm better. I said it. Oh, do better, I'm better. I said it. Do better, I'm better. I said it. I don't talk to bitches. Who am I? Bitch, Dr. Doolittle? Get it back in blood. Put them in suits. You think I sue niggas? Said that I'm a op, but here we are. You think I'm cool with you? Bitch, connect the dots. What am I gonna do with it? If it's with me, then it's authentic. Can't. Bad bitch, yo, Zempic can't. Pockets do the talking. I'm not known for getting loud. I run an operation. If you bark, I'm sending scouts. Hey, don't do this shit for clout. I know what you ain't about. Oh, do better, I'm better. I said it. Do better, I'm better. I said it. Oh, do better, I'm better. I said it. Do better, I'm better. I said it. Oh, do better, I'm better. I said it. Do better, I'm better. I said it. Oh, do better,
wife and kids, but really 365, this the way I live. My oldest baby says she wants a Van Cleef. Plus my wifey wants some more Louis V. Money come and go, but the moment stays, so I spend it for the smile that I see. This time of year, I'm the favorite of my mama's kids. The first mama's boy, then getting mama gifts. Even if I'm bad, won't end up on the naughty list. But I really cherish more is all the time we spend. Cause every year in promise, so we cherish it. Warm house, tree lit, that's rich. Look around, feel the love, that's it. That's the real gift, we're the same niche. Whole family, we gon' vibe, cause it's Christmas. Everybody feeling right, cause it's Christmas. Well, mama cooking up the night, cause it's Christmas. Like gifts under the tree for you and me. And you know money ain't a thing, cause it's Christmas. And real love don't cost a thing, cause it's Christmas. And yeah, we outside, cause it's Christmas. Right. I said this Christmas, I'm giving all the gifts. And this Christmas, yeah, this Christmas, not on the naughty list. This Christmas, I'm giving all the gifts. And this Christmas, yeah, this Christmas, not on the naughty list. Family, we gon' vibe, cause it's Christmas. Everybody feeling right, cause it's Christmas. Well, mama cooking up the night, cause it's Christmas. Like gifts under the tree for you and me. And you know money ain't a thing, cause it's Christmas. And real love don't cost a thing, cause it's Christmas. And yeah, we outside, cause it's Christmas.
Hey, somebody said that if you broke, you shouldn't think that it's funny. If you laugh and you get Josh, I keep. Do better, I'm better. I said it. 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 Yo, why she sent the no context? This ain't no contest. Run my own race. I ain't no rat. This ain't no confess. She turned 50 to 100. Don't tap in these confess. I turned 50 to 100 bands. Teach that a con. I said before that I don't beef. I'm vegan. Won't stay cause I'm used to leaving. Lactose intolerance. Running her fam so they not used to cheesing. Burgers on the block. Bro, let me cook. I know she good in season. If she pop a I pop the. You know I'm used to sleazing. Do better, I'm better. I said it. 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 I don't talk to. Who am I? Dr. Doolittle? Get it back in blood. Put them in suits. You think I sue? Said that I'm a op, but here we are. You think I'm cool with you? Connect the dots. What am I gonna do with it? If it's with me, then it's authentic. Can't bad, Ozempic can't. Pockets do the talking. I'm not known for getting loud. I run an operation. If you bark, I'm sending scouts. Hey, don't do this for clout. I know what you ain't about. Do better, I'm better. I said it. 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 If you laugh, you getting Josh. I keep a.
I got bigger problems, I got mouths to feed. Homies talking drama, that ain't helping me. Feel like I'm slanging this 100 keys. Every bar brick, I've been pushing these. I got bigger problems, I got mouths to feed. Homies talking drama, that ain't helping me. Feel like I'm slanging this 100 keys. Every bar brick, I've been pushing these. You see my ex hit me up out of nowhere. She been talking about her problems, but I don't care. I've been beefing with a that I don't know, but I'm headed out of town. I got 4 shows. I need more dough. Not a 9 to 5. Empty promises. Is you down to ride? That's my sweet thing. That's my apple pie. Playing in the sheets in the morning time. Bite the pillow while you tugging on my chain. She a freak. She my favorite little thing. pushing knees. I got bigger problems. I got mouths to feed. Homies talking drama. That ain't helping me. Feel like I'm slinging. This 100 keys. Heavy ball brick. I've been pushing these. I can't argue with a lame. That's a dead road. I've been pushing product, but it come in all quotes. Got my laptop in the mic. That's the call go. Every line is doing numbers. That's a barcode. I need good friends. I need loyalty. Chase a bag. Till I'm royalty. Ain't no fake love. That's that poison tea. I ain't do it. God did. That's a recipe. Everybody need a favor on my cell phone. But when I needed them, I couldn't get a downtown. Funny how success can always make the crowd grow. I guess the love is always louder when the cash flows. I got bigger problems. I got mouths to feed. Homies talking drama. That ain't helping me. Feel like I'm slinging. This 100 keys. Heavy ball brick. I've been pushing these. I got bigger problems. I got mouths to feed. Homies talking drama. That ain't helping me. Feel like I'm slinging. This 100 keys. Heavy ball brick. I've been pushing these. I got bigger problems. I got mouths to feed. Homies talking drama. That ain't helping me. Feel like I'm slinging dope. This 100 keys. Heavy ball brick. I've been pushing these. I got bigger problems. I got mouths to feed. Homies talking drama. That ain't helping me. Feel like I'm slinging dope. This 100 keys. Heavy ball brick. I've been pushing these. You see my ex hit me up out of nowhere. She been talking about her problems, but I don't care. I've been beefing with a nigga that I don't know. But I'm headed out of town, I got 4 shows. I need more dough, not a 9 to 5. Empty promises, is you down to ride? That's my sweet thing, that's my apple pie. Playing in the sheets, in the morning time. Bite the pillow while you tugging on my chain. She a freak, she my favorite little thing. I know Brody sold his soul for a name. Not my problem, I just charge it to the game. I got bigger problems, I got mouths to feed. Homies talking drama, that ain't helping me. Feel like I'm slinging dope. This 100 keys, heavy ball brick. I've been pushing these. I got bigger problems, I got mouths to feed. Homies talking drama, that ain't helping me. Feel like I'm slinging dope. This 100 keys, heavy ball brick. I've been pushing these. I can't argue with a lame, that's a dead road. I've been pushing product, but it come in all quotes. Got my laptop in the mic, that's the call go. Every line is doing numbers, that's a barcode. I need good friends, I need loyalty. Fucking chase a bag, till I'm royalty. Ain't no fake love, that's that poison tea. I ain't do it, God did, that's a recipe. Everybody need a favor on my cell phone. But when I needed them, I couldn't get a downtown. Funny how success can always make the crowd grow. I guess the love is always louder when the cash flows. I got bigger problems, I got mouths to feed. Homies talking drama, that ain't helping me. Feel like I'm slinging dope. This 100 keys, heavy ball brick. I've been pushing these. I got bigger problems, I got mouths to feed. Homies talking drama, that ain't helping me. Feel like I'm slinging dope. This 100 keys, heavy ball brick. I've been pushing these.
Girls just wanna have fun. Just wanna have fun. Girls just wanna have fun. Just wanna have fun. Girls just wanna have fun. Just wanna have fun. Girls just wanna have fun. I do what I want and you do what you can. Walk in the spot, got 'em looking like damn. You know he gon' pull out them bands. You ain't gotta worry, I don't want your man. How you hating when you was a fan? If I post a pic, he gon' like it again. Too greasy, I'm calling him Pam. Ain't gotta ask, you know who I am. Just wanna have fun. Girls just wanna have fun.
pesos, I'm calling them popping that money. If you ballin' like Scotty, just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs. Just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs. Just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs. Just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs, yeah. Just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs. Just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs. Just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs. Just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs. I do what I want and you do what you can. Walk in the spot, got him looking like damn. Bad bitch, so you know he gon' pull out them bands. You ain't gotta worry, I don't want your man. How you hating when you was a fan? If I post a pic, he gon' like it again. Bitch is too greasy, I'm calling him Pam. Ain't gotta ask, bitch, you know who I am. Just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs. Just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs. Just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs. Just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs. Got buns and my niggas got guns. Like I'm green like my money in ones. Got 'em blue so I'm calling 'em sons. Water be dripping my body. She a hottie be making 'em naughty. Give me pesos, I'm calling 'em popping that money. If you ballin' like Scotty. Just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs. Just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs. Just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs. Just wanna have funs. Girls just wanna have funs.
Hey, yeah, back up in my zone is jumping. I put in that time for what's coming. I ain't even attending functions. Master zone and out them comments. That's the way I hold my sane. Take control to hold my game. Way too much to hold that pain. So I pulled it in this lane. Years of folders molded to perfection. Dedication turned obsession. Put me in places I was stepping. I done caught cases, I've been reckless. Taking on risks to say I'm tested. If I faced it, it's a blessing. Keeping me grateful for the lesson. And keeping me cool, I ain't stressing. About no bread, about no women, about no payments, I'm gon' eat. I done seen it, I done lived it, I done held it in my sleep. It's about the vision, that much you should know. I'm investing daily, stretching, pushing. How far can it go? Here's some more.
I'm gonna delete this demand at this point.
I went got drive, my rent got paid. I got more stacked, I need more sounds. Land out my range, just move your feet, you'll touch more ground. You can't be caged. I dropped 10-4, they said they proud. My set they play. I put more down, I made more moves. I got more change. I know this game ain't got no rules. I seek no fame, just want what's mine, so I keep cool and stay in my lane. I can't complain. We was making plans, I would make it bands. Make a check or make it take a chance. Won't sit in the stands. All I wanted was 100 bands and my records playing. Come correct or nothing. No, we can't connect or do no recollecting. I'll be legend where we stay. All I dream about is getting out next from where we stay. It's growing closer by the days. Please excuse me if I'm distant, I cannot engage. We prioritize the business that's gon' get us paid. I can't complain. We prioritize the business that's gon' get us paid. Please excuse me if I'm distant, I cannot engage. All I am now is consistent, I cannot complain. I can't complain. My whip got pushed, I went got drive. My rent got paid. I got more stacked, I need more sounds. Land out my range, just move your feet, you'll touch more ground. You can't be caged. I dropped 10-4, they said they proud. My set they play. I put more down, I made more moves. I got more change. I know this game ain't got no rules. I seek no fame,
there's so much trauma around your love, I don't feel like being around. Baby, I can see it clearly now. Baby, I can see it clearly now. How deep's your love? How deep's your trust? How deep? How deep's your love? How deep's your trust? Yeah, you don't got what it takes. You just entertain. You never had shame, baby, it's not what you claim. It pours when it rains. Why you act like a saint? Why you acting all the same as everybody that just be running their mouth? I don't care about no gossip, you only care about what they talking about. I don't care about material things, my goal is what I was worried about. You everything I was worried about. You everything I was worried about. Goddamn. Yeah, you're not the one for me. So sad to see. Too much Hennessy for you. Now you wanna speak. Why you asking me? Why I wanna leave? Yeah, and why I could read through all that you're talking about. Baby, I got abandonment issues I don't really feel like talking about. Baby, there's so much trauma around your love, I don't feel like being around. Baby, I can see it clearly now. Baby, I can see it clearly.
I'm still waiting for this supply to get tapped, guys.
How deep's your love? How deep's your trust? How deep? How deep's your love? How deep's your trust?
But I wanna back like Jaws. Don't step on the trap door. Touch my put 5 on the floor. Don't step on the trap door. Once it's down, but then it's on tour. Jump back for the encore.
14 times 14. I don't know what these men are talking.
Run up in the yard, 1 foot up in the dark. Bounce in the hallway, shadow in the park. Once it's night, jar hit the dark laugh. Trap door far for the park with the blast. Come, beat for the yard, but the triple near long. Laser, steady in the palm. Jump on the mist, set fire to the. Jump in the mist with the fucking dead pull up. Spin the back jab for the deadest when I pull up. Once it's pull up, now I'm gonna pull up. Trap door fast, see me running with a. But I wanna back like Jaws. Don't step on the trap door. Touch my put 5 on the floor. Don't step on the trap door. Once it's down, but the deadest on tour. Jump back for the encore. Jump in the beat, then I hit him like man down when the daddy pull up. Jump in the stage and the slide like man down with a shot pull up. Then wanna bite like Jaws. Don't step on the trap door.
169. Legendary Delis round bound now. Yeah. Delis.
Look, run up in the dark, 1 foot up in the grave. Trap door banging in the moonlight shade. House in the front, jump man, they get paid. Echo with the laughter in the dark place. Blaze, creep with the yard, man, jumping in the maze. Laser, then it's in the place. Jump in the mic, set fire to the. Jump in the mist with the fucking dead pull up. Spin it back down for the deadest when I pull up. Once it's pull up, now I'm gonna pull up. Trap door fast, see me running with them. But I wanna back like Jaws. Don't step on the trap door. Touch my put 5 on the floor. Don't step on the trap door. Once it's down, but the deadest on tour. Jump back for the encore. Jump in the beat, then I hit him like man down when the daddy pull up. Jump in the stage and the slide like man down with a shot pull up. Then wanna bite like Jaws. Don't step on the trap door.
169.
Shit is spot on dead. Y'all some middlemen. I got plenty bands. I got plenty bands that I could put up on your head. You a talker, then I precise, my shit is spot on dead. All them pints you say you sippin', now you walking big. Like you don't walk in dead. Yeah, now that car be hit. You with your dogs, and I'm like Mike, I'm up with Marcus Fit. Yeah, you steady poppin' shit, yeah, I know. Come around when we be poppin' big shit on. Yeah, I want to roll like Tony. We gettin' to the bag, it's up, it's early in the morning. We spinning blocks, you hear the tight screech, we doing donuts. Trapping home alone, I'm feeling like Macaulay Culkin. Yeah, that big pack in my eyes, bleed, but I'm feeling focused. Yeah, this that out your trunk shit. Out the mud, we pouring cups, me and my partners run shit. Out the gate, them tables turning, had to come with sign. Made decisions I ain't cool with, I know I can't come. Got some chicken now, you know we had to run our fine. They told me Jiggy, you the one, yeah, I'm a one-on-one. Jig come right here, right now, little mama come and suck on sign. I like some freaky shit, little mama come and fuck on son. Yeah, y'all some middleman. I got plenty bands, I got plenty bands that I could put up on your head. You a target and I precise, my shit is spot on dead. All them pints you say you sippin', now you walking big. Like you don't walk in dead. Yeah, now that car be hit. You with your dogs and I'm like Mike, I'm up with Marcus Fit. Yeah, you steady poppin' shit, yeah, I know. Come around when we be poppin' big shit on. Y'all some middlemans. I got plenty bands. I got plenty bands that I could put up on your head. You a target and I precise, my shit is spot on dead. All them pints you say you sippin', now you walking big. Like you don't walk in dead. Yeah, now that car be hit. You with your dogs and I'm like Mike, I'm up with Marcus Fit. Yeah, you steady poppin' shit, yeah, I know. Come around when we be poppin' big shit on. Some middlemans. I got plenty bands. I got plenty bands that I could put up on your head. You hear the tight screech, we doing donuts. Trapping home alone, I'm feeling like Macaulay Culkin. Yeah, that big pack in my eyes, bleed, but I'm feeling focused. Yeah, this that out your trunk. Out the mud, we pouring cups, me and my partners run. Out the gate, them tables turning, had to come with sign. Made decisions I ain't cool with, I know I can't come. Got some chicken now, you know we had to run our fine. They told me Jiggy, you the one, yeah, I'm a one-on-one. Jig come right here, right now, little mama come and on sign. I like some freak, the little mama come and on son. Yeah, y'all some middleman. I got plenty bands. I got plenty bands that I could put up on your head. You a target and I precise, to the spot on dead. All them pints you say you sippin', now you walking big. Like you don't walk in dead. Yeah, now that car be hit. You with your dogs and I'm like Mike, I'm up with Marcus Fit. Yeah, you steady poppin' shit. Yeah, I know. Come around when we be poppin' big. No, y'all some middlemans. I got plenty bands. I got plenty bands that I could put up on your head. You a target and I precise, my shit is spot on dead. All them pints you say you sippin', now you walking big. Like you don't walk in dead. Yeah, now that car be hit. You with your dogs and I'm like Mike, I'm up with Marcus Fit. Yeah, you steady poppin' shit. Yeah, I know. Come around when we be poppin' big. No. Some middlemans. I got plenty bands. I got plenty bands that I could put up on your head.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah, you could take the money, you could leave me the pain. Yeah, we can make it ugly, but we don't communicate, mama. So where you at now? It's not the first time that I blacked out. Let's bring it back, yo. It's been a minute since we acted cool. I've been distracted by the actions that I had to choose. So why you acting like I haven't been inside my thoughts? You never get me, girl, I guess we not compatible. You always shifting your disguises. How we supposed to move this forward when you trip on what's behind us? The chemistry was down to a science. Are you down or you still doubting my environment? Cause nowadays you always asking about my whereabouts and why I'm never picking up and what I truly care about. Face it, if I didn't want the progress, would've never let that cherry blossom. I would've cut the roots quicker just so you could see the picture that I really paint. Pick it up or let it go, I'm sick of the concealment phase. I just hope you recognize that when the ceiling break, that we can pick this up right where we left it if you feel the same. If I didn't want the progress, I would've never let that cherry blossom. Yeah, I'm feeling so intoxicated. I don't really hate you, I just hate the fact that you don't see beyond it. Time is of the essence, girl, be grateful for your blessings. I do not hold grudges, these mistakes are just some lessons. And I don't need a break, I need a brace and just forget whatever staples we embedded. Cause we not stable, no, I can't save you, no. Yeah, so we not stable, no, I can't save you, no. You could take the money, you could leave me the pain. Yeah, we can make it ugly, but we don't communicate. My mind, so where you at now? It's not the first time that I blacked out.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yes, I'm back with the sauce, back with the energy, back with the force, back with the realization, yeah. Every time I do it, of course. This code's not more, still deciphering, still on course. When I came through with a private horse, this love's approved endorsed. Yes, I'm back with the sauce, back with the energy, back with the force, back with the realization, yeah. Every time I do it, of course. This code's not more, still deciphering, still on course. When I came through with a private horse, this love's approved endorsed. I look around, see so much pain. Grew up in London, I face that rain. After certain things, you won't be the same. After certain things, you know that game. Just like Monopoly, I can do what I want, what's stopping me? This energy, yeah, to the highest degree. You and me do it properly, ay. I look around, see so
It does look like we are trying to fall, continue to fall from this 15-minute supply instead.
grew up in London, I face that rain.
I needed to get back to the 5.
Yeah, back with the energy, back with the force. Back with the energy, back with the force. Gotta do our thing and make it rain. Gotta do our thing and make it rain. Energy, back with the force, back with the realization. Back with the energy, back with the source.
Manuelo. No me dejo ver. No me dejo ver. Ey.
Yeah, we're trying to have a circle generation from this 15-minute supply instead.
Antes yo estaba en la cola, ahora soy de los primeros. Ando en un carro Sport, rompiendo el millero. Ahora estamos mejor, antes estábamos en cero. Se nos dio. Gracias al joseo todo cambió. Se la quitamos el
Yeah, the main reason why I wanted to go back to that 5 minute supply at least is because this minor low, right? It's not like an aggressive closure below it, right? And then this high pretty much really didn't still struggle to close below this low here on the 5. And if we look at this minor low at 46.55.2, we still struggle to close below it, including the 15, 30, not a clean closure. Same thing on the 1 hour, but still can't deny that we did close below it. So that's the main reason why I want at least a 5 minute supply here. Just for it to go back to the origin of the move that created this low. Yeah, but looks like I won't be trading today, guys. So I need to go to bed. Don't know if I'm gonna trade New York just yet. If I wake up on time, I probably will, and if not, I guess I will see what happens tomorrow. I mean tonight during Asia, and possibly pre-London tomorrow as well. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, 1 a.m. CST. I appreciate you all for joining. I didn't get it set up today. That's why I'm not trading today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, bless you all. See you guys then. I'm out. Peace.